This is going to be video part 1 on creating your sketchbook cover. So this is kind of the finished product and what we're going for. You're going to be creating a sketchbook cover. It's going to have some binding on the left side, and then it's going to have all your sketchbook stuff inside it. Okay, so to start, if I gave you this lined paper, awesome. If I didn't, that's okay. You're gonna try to have your letters be about 3.5 inches tall, okay? And so you could just take some blank paper and draw yourself a guideline that's 3 inches, okay? So how are we gonna go about creating the letters for your name? If you get this packet here, we're gonna go through the directions. You're going to create your own personal font using lines to draw, block, or bubble letters. To me, it's the same thing, okay? Basically, what we're wanting is letters to be wide enough so that later on you're going to be able to put some cool little patterns inside your letters, okay? So, in creating your own personal font, if you were to go to your Chromebook and say you're going to type up a document, you would select a font. Now, a font, each letter is going to have similar characteristics. So you need to have your letters also have similar characteristics. So if you look at mine, I kind of have this wide, swoopy area here on my L, and my N kind of swoops off. And I kind of have this little thinner area here on my N, and it's kind of up here. So you're going to have characteristics that are going to tie your letters together. So when you draw yours up, they do not have to touch your guidelines there, but have them reach almost real close. Your letters can be capitalized, they can be lowercase. Now, if you're like me, you have 2 letters in your name that are the same, okay? My first name is Jolene, and so I have 2 E's in my name. Now, at this point, you only need to draw it 1 time, okay? You only need to draw it once, because later we'll have to figure out a time when you can come into the classroom. But what I'll do is I'll take your image once it's done with your little patterns in it, and I'll have another video to describe how to go about doing that. I'll make a photocopy of this so that you have 2 letters that are identical, okay? So again, if you have double letters in your name, don't worry, just draw it once at this point, okay? So once you get your letters drawn up, please go ahead and snap a photo of it and upload it to this little segment of the video.